Tired of wrestling with contract templates that morph like a poorly coded CSS layout? Designers and dev teams waste hours juggling inconsistent clauses, broken variables, and version chaos. Our system injects precision with dynamic variables tied to JSON schema validation, Git based version control with atomic commits, Figma to template parsing via API hooks, and RBAC integration for stakeholder specific edits. Imagine automating NDA generators with auto-filled jurisdiction fields or SLAs that sync pricing tables from Airtable. Legal ops leads, front-end architects, and compliance officers. This is your new workflow backbone. Even your most template-phobic colleague will stop printing contracts in Comic Sans. Here's what's inside the Building Contract Template System skill. First, smart variable inheritance that maps component props to legal fields. Second, real-time diffing for version rollbacks with blame tracking. Third, design-to-code converters that parse sketch layers into enforceable clauses. Fourth, collaborative editing with conflict resolution powered by CRDTs. Fifth, audit-proof export pipelines with SHA-256 hashing. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just automation. It's legal documentation that actually scales. Installing the Building Contract Template System skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add Building Contract Template System. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert-level guidance, pre-built template engines, and integration hooks for Notion and Coda. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No config needed. Suddenly, your AI assistant understands mermaid diagram parsing, YAML variable scoping, and PDF annotation workflows. No law degree required, though we'll refund your student loans if you change your mind. Now go standardize the chaos.